After the football match, we lost 2-1. Damn, I'm so frustrated. I went to the cafe and guess what? I didn't wash my hand. For every single hour, I just wasted my time just to go to the toilet. I regret myself and went to see the doctor. The doctor told me that I have a gastric. A few hours later, I felt something weird inside my stomach. It was so painful and it annoys me.
Before we proceed to other parts, everybody should be wondering what is gastric. Our body produces digestive juices that helps break down food. Digestive juice is a combination of hydrochloric acid, lipase and pepsin. In order to protect our stomach, a layer of mucus is formed and coats the lining of our stomach. So the main question is, what will happen if the layer of mucus disappears? So to answer that question, the answer would be gastric. Gastric, or its scientific name gastritis, is a term used to describe a condition of inflammation of lining of the stomach. Primary factor for gastritis is from a bacteria called Helicobacter pylori or H. pylori, in short, which can result from poor hand washing habits. The bacteria could survive in the digestive system due to its ability to secrete bicarbonate or ammonia that helps neutralize acid in our stomach. It then will inject a toxin into the lining of our stomach, causing inflammatory damage.
I don't know what to do. I cannot stand the pain. And gratefully, the doctor told me to use this medicine. It is called antacid.
So another question, what actually is antacid? To answer that question, antacid is actually a medicine that counteract or neutralize the acidity of our stomach. It could relieve heartburn, indigestion, or an upset stomach. So, how does it work? Antacid are a combination of compounds with various salt. The antacid acts by neutralizing the excess acid in the stomach by inhibiting pepsin, which is a proteolytic enzyme. In a much simpler terms, consider it as acid plus base reaction, where acid comes from the digestive juice and the base is antacid. Antacid that is made from calcium carbonate would then mix with the excess acid, which is hydrochloric acid, resulting to calcium chloride, carbon dioxide gas and water, which should be shown in a simple formula below. The neutralized acid then would turn into soluble salt, thus neutralizing the excess acid in our stomach. Here you can see the calcium chloride is a soluble salt. How do we know it become a soluble salt and won't form precipitate? We can refer to a solubility rule chart. Here, based on the solubility rule chart, you can see that the calcium chloride is a soluble salt. To sum up, antacids work as a base to neutralize acids that our stomach secretes, and all of this is based on acid-base reaction, or otherwise known as neutralization reactions. The best time to consume antacid is when you have indigestion or heartburn, which you can consume it whenever you start or feel the symptoms of gastritis. Other than that, also keep in mind that consuming too much antacid could do you more harm than good, as it has its own side effects including constipation, diarrhea, headache, nausea, or even stomach cramps.